I can't believe a year ago my purpose in life was hunting you down. And now we're friends. Yeah, we are friends. I can't believe a year ago I was still frozen in a block of ice. The world's so different now, and it's going to be even more different when we build it together. Please. The real hero is the Avatar. Today this war is finally over. I promised my uncle that I would restore the honor of the Fire Nation, and I will. The road ahead of us is challenging. 100 years of fighting has left the world scarred and divided. But with the Avatar's help, we can get it back on the right path and begin a new era of love and peace.